If your app runs like this, it means you have successfully set up your Firebase with your Flutter project. Hi, welcome to eTechViral. If you want to learn real app development and also want to grow your skills by building better, faster and scalable apps with clean architecture, and also want to provide a good service in freelancing sites, so subscribe and hit the bell icon. In this video, we are going to look at how to set up Firebase in your Flutter application. For that, you have to go to your browser, Firebase console, press get started, and then press the add project, specify the name of your project, continue, again continue, disable the Google Analytics, add Firebase, and after a little bit waiting, press continue, and we got the Firebase project. And now how to set up it for Flutter. For that, click on this Android, and here it requires Android package name. For that, go to your Android Studio or VS Code. You will see the Android directory in here. Open it, go to app and build Gradle. After a little bit scrolling, you will see the application ID. Copy this application ID and go to again your browser and paste it here. And then register your app. And then it says download this Google Services JSON. So download this file, open its folder. This file contains all the data to connect the Firebase with your Flutter application. So cut this file, go to your Android Studio and paste it in the Flutter app. You can see it has the project info, project number, project ID and many other information about your Flutter Firebase project. After this done, again go to your browser, press this next button, and then we need to have some configuration for our project. So from here, you have to copy this class path com.google gms google services and go to your project. Not inside this app, you will see another build Gradle. Inside this, you will find these dependencies right after this class path of Kotlin version. Paste it down below, and again go to your browser. You will find the apply plugin for Google GMS Google Services and copy this. Again go to your Android Studio. This time you have to paste it in your app. Go to app, build Gradle and scroll a little bit up. You will find these apply plugins. Paste it right after this last one, and then scroll a little bit more and set this Flutter min SDK to 21. And after this, close this Android directory. After this, you have to go to your browser, copy this Firebase core and go to your pubspec YAML file. Right after this Flutter SDK, paste your Firebase core and then press pubgit. After this done, let's go to your lib and main file, get these dependencies, and then you have to do some initialization. For this, you have to change the type of this main from void to feature and make it asynchronous. After this, widgets flutter binding ensure initialize, and after this, await Firebase, import this Firebase library dot initialize app and put semicolon. After this, you have to run your build Gradle. If your app runs like this, it means you have successfully set up your Firebase with your Flutter project. If there are some missing, so your application will be crashed. Otherwise, it will run like this. If you have learned something from this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any future updates and videos like this. Goodbye and see you in the next video.